let's get started. How do we do on the crypto side of things? We're going to use Motive Wave. If you're interested in these type of topics, just come on over to quantlabs.net/book. Get signed up, get some free books as well related to around trading and technology, and you'll get some cool stuff. All right, so let's go on into our Motive Wave. Let's first look at the world of forex. So right now you're looking at all the current open charts that we had. These are the signals I sent out last night. Yes, they are working for all my Quant Elite members and that are currently part of the Quant Analytics, and the new Quant Analytics folks will be able to get these live in their inbox. So what's happening right now is I'll talk about, if you are interested in the process of how those signals work, I'll do another video. Anyways, let's get to the charts. So here are the charts. So the first one, okay, let's go to the old one here. So as forecasted, we got a big down move, well not big, but a down move on the Australian US dollar. So we could see here we've closed out some entries, exits, another one here, another one there. So that looks good in terms of if I was to rely basically on the Ichimoku cloud entries, but I've proven that they may break down from time to time. So I'm right now relying on the RSI when it hits 70. Okay, so definitely going to close that out. Next up, we have Australia, Japan. Same idea. It has come off. So hopefully there's no new signals there. Okay. Next up, we have the Australian Swiss franc. Same thing. Has come down. Let's close. The Canadian Swiss franc. It's come down. We had a nice big bar here. Looks like we missed that. And we're definitely in a downward motion. That's why I keep the regression channels so I can see what is down. Next up, we have the Canadian Japanese yen. You can see all the big up moves that we've had. I'll check the signals to see what did what. Downward move. And then, of course, we had our big winners from last night's election in the UK, which we'll take a look at as well. Is the big move. We didn't catch that one. Oh, yeah, it looks like we did. The British pound against the Australian dollar. Basically flatline, but if you missed this big move, that was pretty well it. Nothing else exciting after that. And then the British pound against the US dollar. Same idea, slight decline. Let's get rid of that. I don't think I can close it. No, maybe I can. Yay. Okay. So a couple things. What we're going to look at is a new scan. Let's see what's going on overall in the world of crypto. The Australian pairs have been doing fairly well. Everything's down. USD pairs, nothing exciting there except the USD Mexico. If you remember, if I did the back tests on a few Motive Wave videos ago, a couple of weeks ago, you would know that this pair performs the best. And when you see everything down, but the US against the Mexico peso, it's up 1.09. This is probably the reason why that strategy could do really well. Okay, let's look at the British pound here. Nothing exciting there except the British pound US dollar still up. British pound and the Australian dollar is up 1.84. I don't see the read of that. Let me look at the top 6 here. Nothing's up. It's very flat. Let me go in and look at some other watch list. Maybe the Canadian dollar may be doing okay. Yeah. So we want a new watch list. So here, let me look at the euro first. Maybe there might be some stuff happening in there. Not really. Well, euro, Australian dollar, and then the euro against the Norwegian and Swedish are doing okay. Yet again, I have looked and said many times, the spread's just way too high for these Scandinavian Euro against the Australian dollar is doing okay. Maybe I should go with that. Lastly, there is one last pair we can look at, and that would be Euro. No, that was the Euro, British, and British. So okay, I can look at the Canadian. Nothing for the Canadian as well. Let me get rid of those. Now, rarely do I look at the CFDs, but let's just look at what's going on in the CFD market, because the CFD, all this data comes from Oanda. So let's just see. Maybe there might be some moves on the CFD. Yeah, the Deutsche 30, buck 20, it's up. UK is up 0.93. So there's not so much there. BCO, the Brent crude, up 0.83. Be interested to see what gold's doing right now as well. Let me just check that. Is it XAU? And there's XAG. So I'm just going to see what this is doing as well. Sorry, I should put that as a watch list. I'll close this one out. CFD. I'll look at the good old XAG, just for you know what, I'm not going to bother because I ain't going to trade it anyways. But anyways, so there's not much going on there. The only one that I see, maybe the Euro Australian dollar. Let's do that as a new chart. So we'll do that just for now. There's not much going on because it is Friday, 11:45 Eastern Standard Time. So Euro Australian dollar. I'll also throw in the pound, the British pound, and yes, we got to do the world famous, apply the template that we like to use. This one. Yes. Okay, there's another big move right there. Just missed it as usual. What else we got here? We wanted the British pound against the Australian dollar. Okay, so there is an alert going out for that, folks. Oh, that's in crypto, Neo USD. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Okay. We'll take a look at that in a minute. British pound against the... Okay, I get it. British pound against the Australian dollar. Yeah, it's nothing... Oh, actually, it is moving up. And then we'll do the pound against the USD. GBP against the USD. Okay. So I gotta make sure I'm applying the two. So we'll always have three new charts. I don't think they'll do much, but surprise, surprise, I can surprise myself. I'll be able to identify, hopefully, the profitability potential with these, with what I'm doing, the live signals that are working now. I got verification that they are working. So got to be happy about that. Okay, so that's the world of forex. So what we're dealing with is euro, Australian dollar, pound, British pound against the Australian dollar, and the British pound against the USD. Next up, crypto. Okay, let me close those out. Crypto is up and down like a toilet seat. Okay, so here we are in the world. No, we want crypto. Crypto. Come on. There we go. Crypto is looking... Okay, let's go into the watch list here. Am I always getting... Okay. It's here in the background or something. Okay. So we got Oanda. Oh, there we go. There's the crypto right there. Okay, finally, let's look at the crypto. Home. Come on. It's the very little memory on the system. I'll be porting everything over to my Windows. Look at that. We got green all over. Gotta like that. Okay. Got waves. So currently we have Tron. No, I'll tell you what we have open. But this is what we got. Waves against BTC up 17.7%. NEO up. Hit Bitcoin 5.93. NEO USD up 5.4%. Tron against Bitcoin 5.14. Ethereum Classic 4.1. Ethereum against USD 3.44. Bitcoin Cash up 3.3. Bitcoin Cash USD. Bitcoin Cash BTC up 2.1. Cardano Dash. All of it's up. Ooh, we might have a set of winners here. Let's check them out. Okay, so the charts are coming up. Here we go. Okay, so currently we have open LSK BTC, ETC BTC, Ethereum BTC, XRP BTC, and Waves BTC. So we missed out on quite a few. So LSK is down, get rid of that. But we definitely caught a little bit of up move on the Ethereum Classic BTC. Ethereum BTC's down. XRP has a slight move up, but there was a downtrend short term. I don't know if I should close that. But the ETC was okay. Waves did pretty good. Looks like it did really well, actually. But again, I'll have to look at the P&L on the charts, or sorry, on the signals. Okay. Oh, one last thing I forgot to do on the good old forex was the scanning. The scanning I like because it enables me to see potential things that are brewing, but we don't know yet. Meanwhile, okay, so we're scanning the good old harmonics. I've tried this on Elliott waves. The Elliott waves are nowhere close to being as reliable as the harmonics. And we have 3 pairs that are excellent right now. Let's see what we got. And again, we're only working with, so make sure that we have this in order. Okay, so we have Australian CHF we looked at, Australian Canadian dollar we looked at. Nah, the Scandinavian are up there. They're doing okay, but they're shorting anyways. Euro and Australian dollar, I think we have that open. So that might be, yeah. So the Euro Australian dollar looks good. And you can see there's some nice green there on the Ichimoku. Okay, let's go back to the crypto. Let me do the same thing on the scanning. Might be some things we haven't seen yet. So again, I'm going to scan, and again, this is on 32 instruments. All right. Okay, so we're still going la-di-da-di-da. This is not too bad, though. The sad part about missing out on what I missed out on is I'll pull up, I could do the charts here. And you can see here these 3. Now, the funny thing is the timing's everything. If I put orders on here or open up charts for these, like NEO, BTC, Tron BTC, Bitcoin Cash BTC, let's say, because you notice I'm only doing BTC here. Those are ones I'm going to miss out on, but what can you do? Because you can't automate this. If there's a way, if I could do it, I'd do it. There's a way to do it. Okay, so that's Waves BTC. XRP, no, let me get rid of that. So right now I have ETC, this is from last night, ETC, BTC, and Waves BTC. Now, let's do a scan here. And here's what we have. EOS, BTC, no, that's a short. Litecoin, short. But you gotta like that little bit of movement here, but that could be flatlining for all I know. Ethereum, Bitcoin, no. We tried that. XRP, BTC, BTC, USD, no. ETC, BTC, no. XMR, BTC, no. Litecoin, it's down. Litecoin, BTC may go up. Okay, so Litecoin, BTC. So I'm going to just test that. That might be a potential mover. So we're doing Litecoin against BTC now. So I'm just looking at this to see what the Ichimoku says, because that can kind of help you. I can also apply the Hurst cycles, which I might do. So here's Litecoin BTC. That's a 15-minute chart. Look at that. I don't know. That's a lot of volatility. I don't like to see those sort of things. Ichi. So long term, what does this say? There's a lot of negative moving volume here. Let me just see the day chart. Pointing down, 4 hour. 4 hour. Yeah, it's all pointing down, so we shall forget that. Got a new alert coming in, so we have live. So this should be a signal. So that's Litecoin BTC. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that. That's just not a happening chart. Okay, so let's go back to what we have right now. We had a bunch doing quite well. So we have Neo BTC. I'm not a big fan of this coin. Neo BTC. Let's see. Neo BTC. There's some big movers there, and you can see that big down move. Let's see what the Ichi says. Definitely something I missed out on. Okay, it looks like it's going to continue moving up. We'll keep that open. So again, that's Neo BTC. Next up. All right, so going over the chart here. So we have Neo in there. Hopefully we can get some nice action out of Neo. We've got, let's go over here. Home. So we've got Neo, Ethereum Classic, Tron, BTC. Let me open up Bitcoin Cash. I've always liked Bitcoin Cash. That's done pretty good, or can do good, but lately it's been nothing going on with it. So let's see here. Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Okay. Missing some moves here. Got some down moves. Let's see. One hour. So that's, let's see here. What do we got? That was an RSI. Bitcoin Cash, RSI above the RSI. So we're missing out on a closing opportunity here. That's okay. So let's do a 1 day chart here. See what it tells you. See, it predicts it's going to go down. That's actually in January 5th. So it does, yeah, it's still going to be green. So what are we looking at here? Tron Bitcoin. Okay. So we have some green action still, very short term. Yeah, it's moving up. Let's do it. There's a lot of hunches involved here with motive wave because you cannot open and scan, have a strategy with with one strategy watching multiple charts. So I think it's one strategy to one chart, which kind of is limiting on your potential. So we have Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. So we got that. So we got Neo happening, Bitcoin Cash happening, and then there was Tron. Looks like it's dropped off. Wow, we got quite a few moving. Dash is moving, but unfortunately that's Dash USD. I could still, well, my signals won't pick it up because it's only Bitcoin and Ethereum. ADA Ethereum. Well, that looks okay. Let's try that one. ADA Ethereum. We don't get a lot of Ethereum. Oops. Back to charts here. Okay, so we're going to maybe see ADA Ethereum. Oh boy. Okay. Flatlining, going down. I don't like what I'm seeing. Goodbye. Okay, back to the watch list. So what do we got here? ADA, EOS, Bitcoin USD is up. BMD is up. Litecoin USD is up. LSK is somewhat up. So we have two USD. So let me try EOS. Charts. So we're going to do EOS USD. I've seen a lot of EOS lately. USD. What I'll do is I'll open up, see it's long term, it's moving up, but it's forecasting it to go back down. So that's a 4 hour, 15-minute, 1 hour. The 4 hour, I'm concerned about that. And the 1 day, so it's just overall, it's just trending down. So I don't think we'll do that one. I could be probably regretting it. Home. The other one was Bitcoin USD. Let's try that. Bitcoin USD. Let's see what happens here. Bitcoin USD. It's Bitcoin is rarely up. When you look at the long-term trends on a 4 hour or a 6 hour, see it's so volatile. 1 day you can see it's just been down. Just apply my indicators here. See, it's just pointing down. It's pointing down, down. It might be an intraday opportunity, but I think this will be a loser for sure. But short term, I'll check back in a couple hours. Hopefully, I get to it. So I'm going to add Bitcoin USD to the chart just for potential. BNB Ethereum. I'll try that as well because that's up. BNB. That's looking okay. 4 hour down. 1 day. Well, it looks like it could be, this one could be a good one, a decent one, not like a, so we'll add that to the list as well, to the charts. Let's see what else we've got, because we rarely get upswings like this. So we got Tron, USDT, XLM, USD, not as strong. Dash BTC, okay. EOS, we didn't like. So I'll look at Stellar, XLM, XLM. No, what I'll do is I'll look at Dash BTC. It's not that strong. Now, again, I need to stress we are able to send out signals, and we're just one step away from so we got a down 1 day, long term. I don't know. This one, this can be more of a defensive. So we have here ETC, BTC. So I'm going to get rid of BNB Ethereum. So our BNB Ethereum is going to go. Buy. Okay, this is what we have open then. Currently, ETC, BTC, Waves BTC, Neo BTC, BCH BTC, Bitcoin USD, and Dash BTC. So we'll leave that for now. Hopefully this will help you out. I will check back in a couple hours, see how this goes, and plus the signaling as well. I have to do the analysis on that. All right, other than that, thanks for watching, and you have a good day, or a good set of hours if you're watching this from time to time. Over now, later.